So hello friends, so in this video we will learn how to create a card in Power BI. So it is very useful tool. So let's see how we can use this card in Power BI. So now friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create a card in Power BI. To create a card in Power BI, we will go to visualization pane here, and this is our card. So we'll just click over it. So now we have a format of card with us. So we just increase the size and just decrease it here, and then after this I will take another card also. Like first of all I will do some changes in this card, then I will take another. So in this card, what I will do, I will click on sales and just drag this sales inside this card. And now what you will see, we will have a sales data in this card. So I will just do again. I think it's not yet been done. Now we have a sales here in this card. So it shows sum of total sales, whatever sales we have made here in here. Next I will go outside card. Again click on this card, and I have a second card here. And this time what I will take profit. So this will give us complete profit here. Whatever complete profit we have made, that calls us profit here. Then I will go to the next card. I will go outside and click on card, and I have this third card, and in this card I will take your units, or you can say quantity. So here we have quantity, so I will just drag this here, and now we will do a little bit of formatting with this card. Like the sum of sale, I want this to be a little bit increased size, so I will go here in format, category label, just bold it and just 22. Similarly I go here and just put 22 and bold it. And now if I want to use format painter, like if I will do some changes here and that I want to do it with everything, that is also possible. I will go to visualization pane here, category label, or we can go to journal, and whatever effects, if you want to give some effects also, that is also possible. Transparency and whatever we want there. Background, visual border, if we need some visual border there, we can put a visual border. Shadow there, we can put a shadow so that it will look more decorative and better. And now I will just put it here and just drag it till there. Similarly I go there, and now I will just click on format painter and just drag over this. Similarly again format painter and drag over it. So now we have three card like these numbers. So in this, all these we will take numbers. So number values will be replaced, like all the number values will be display here, as I have taken the number values here. And now next thing I will take this, I will just go outside and click and take this map here. And now we have a map here, and in this map, location, I will take region and click over this. Instead of region I will take your states, so that will make better chart. So I will take states here. So now I have all the states of US. Then I will go to bubble size, and here I will take sales, and then I will go here in your format, your visualization, and just increase the bubble size a bit. I will just increase it to somewhere around 3 points. So now we have this chart here, and what I will do, and if I need labels here, or we can even take category labels. So we have a category labels here, and I want some more changes with the category label, we can do that. So now if you will click on any state here, like if I will click on California here, so now it will show us the sales of California region only, whatever sum of quantity we have sales, whatever profit we have, and what is the total sales here. Similarly if you will click here, so it will give us sales of that region only. So wherever we will click, according to that it will give us sales. So this is the benefit of chart. We can find out the sales or either whatever values we need to find out from that chart. So now next we will find out how to create your text chart, like if we have a text values and we want to make chart from them. So like if I will click on this card here, and then here I will take subcategories. So when I will take subcategories, so first it will show us the first subcategory. If you want to change this, if I will go there, and if you want to find out the last subcategory, it will show us the last category. And even if I will delete this, and again I will take card, and this time I will take your colony categories, first category. So we have 3 categories, so it will show us furniture is our first category here. Similarly, I want to know, like I will take another card and just click here. So I have a second card here, and here I also take category, and we will make some information from them now. So if you want to know which category have the highest sale, so in that case I will click over this furniture, then I will go here in this filter, and in this filter like there are many things, like if I will want what you want to filter here, so I will just remove this first of all, and in this first category I will take your category here, and then from this basic filter I will just go to top N, and in top N first I will type 1, and in by value I will take sales. Now this will show us our in by value sales is not yet done, so I will just put sales here and then say apply filter. So technology is our category where we have make the maximum sales, and to make the changes here I will go here in first category, just click over this, and then I will say rename for visual, and here I will say top sales. So it will show us the top sales of the category, and press enter. So it will show us the top sales, and if I want to make some changes here, I will go here, category value, just bold, and then in journal title, this title is not there because category label, just bold it and just make it 22, so that is more clearer. And any changes you like to make, you can make it from here, so it will look more beautiful, like background color, header, icon, toolkits, effects. If you want to give some effects also, you can do visualizing border on. I will just give some visualizing border, shadow on, so that will look better. And just format it, and then I will go to format painter and just click over this also. So this is also have same formatting. Now, so this is about top sales. Now I will want to know about my top profit. So I will click over this, then I will go to the profit and just click over profit here in our first in categories, and now here I will go to advanced filter option, and from here I will take top N, and for profit top I will type 1, and in by values I will take the profit here. Just click and drag this profit here. So we have the profit here. We can just change the name. I will go there, rename here, and just type, just remove this and type top profit and just press enter. So here we have top profit and top sale. Beside that we can make another card also, so that it will be more clear. I will put this here, and again I will take the categories here, and after taking categories, this time I will take your quantity. So taking the quantity, I will go in our filter, we filter on this visual, and here again I will take top N, first, and this time I will take here quantity. So this is our sum of quantity, like whatever is the quantity, best quantity, and apply filter should be pressed. So here we have pressed, and like here we have to press the value is not yet there, that's why it's not saying profit. We will put profit here and 1 and press apply. So our top profit is with our technology, top sales is with our technology, and our top quantity is our furniture. So I will just type the name here. We just have to apply filter also, otherwise name will not be changed. Rename this visual, and here I will type top quantity and press enter. Then I will go to visuals here, category label on, and in category label I will put 22 bold, or either what I can do, I will just click over this format painter and format painter here. So this is the way we can find out our top sales, top profit, top quantity, and beside that, if we will put some bar chart behind this, and here what I will take your subcategory here and sales here. Now we have a bar chart with quantity. Like if we will click on phones, so it will show like phones is in our technology part. If you will click here, it will be on the furniture part, office supplies. So wherever that comes, it will show that is the top profit. And if we need some other chart, like if you click and delete this, and if I will take this chart again, and in this chart I will take this time our states and your sales. So we have state wise. So if we click on any sales, it will show us whatever is the top sales in that state. So it will show us, like we have a different state here. So according to states, it will show us the profit, like our text, wherever we have made the maximum sales here. So that's all in this video. So in the next part we will know more about it.